it's me, Keenan, Marley, and Andrew. They're over there. They're currently over there. Today we are doing an awesome vlog in it's not Andrew's wood, in the woods by Andrew's house. These woods are so long, and so there's so many waterfalls and cool stuff. We're so excited to show you guys. Let's go.
Hey.
There's Andrew.
Nope.
Walking upstream, you can see Marley and Andrew already up there. There's going to be a huge waterfall up here. We've been back here many times before, and it's just so beautiful. We thought we would share it with you. Look how deep that is.
Not underwear. Guys, just so you know, this isn't exactly going out.
So here's the waterfall. Wow, isn't that a beauty? As I walk on those stones, I'm going to show you another overview of the waterfall. Just one sec. So deep up here, but I'm just slowly approaching the waterfall, where it's getting deeper and deeper. And I'm going to walk alongside it. 1 second.
Woo!
Oh, that is deep. You can't see me, but look how deep it is. It's up to Andrew's thighs. Okay, so I'm going to pause, get up on there, and then I'm going to resume. See you guys later. And so here we are, just up there. That's where we were. And now, walking alongside the waterfall, we are. The current is so fast on this, it's so hard to walk up, and if you just rest, it will take you. Andrew just fell down the current. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Alright, as we're approaching up here, I'm going to pause until the next beauty. See you guys later. So here, just around the corner, why won't you focus? Here, just around the corner, won't focus.
Oh no! Let Marley do it.
I'm sorry guys, I won't focus, but we are back. And yeah, just around the corner, look at this gusher. And again, I'm going to walk alongside it. Marley and Keelan are walking up there, because Marley has short waterproof boots and Keelan doesn't have waterproof boots. Whoa, look at that. The rocks makes like a perfect circle. So yeah, the water isn't too deep up here, but I'm going to walk right alongside the waterfall, getting you a closer look. Beautiful.
It's an absolute, like...
Oh, this is slippery! Oh! Sorry! I fell right there. Holy cow, it's still going. We just... Look at that. Okay. Oh, it's still going. This is beautiful. It kind of slows down right here, but then it picks up again up here. That is a beauty. Okay, I'll get back to you the next waterfall. Alright, so just around the corner again. These waterfalls are everywhere. This is another little waterfall. These waterfalls are everywhere. And there's a bucket for some reason.
You also just passed one.
Yeah. No, I filmed that one. Wow, this is so beautiful. Ugh. So beautiful. Wow. Let's zoom in there. Alright, I'll get back to you the next wonder of nature. Waterfall, I'm actually on land showing you it. This waterfall is a beauty. And then there's more up there. I'll show you that just in a sec. So here is a waterfall.
I thought this was the deep part.
No, the deep part's up here. So here's another waterfall. And yeah, it's another one. Waterfall. Man, these waterfalls are just everywhere.
Ow.
Oh my goodness, this is so slippery.
Ow.
I don't want to drop my phone. But I'm doing it for you, YouTube.
Ah, it's so slippery right there.
Man, there's another waterfall. Just right up here. he fell. Right up here, there's another waterfall. Marley and Keelan are on land again. Because Marley's boots are waterproof, but they're not high, and Keelan just has sneakers on, so she can't get those wet. And boom! Here's another waterfall. We'll get back to you. Our journey's ending. So now we're walking alongside the creek on this trail. And we're about to get on gravel road up ahead. I don't know if you can see it. And that's going to lead us back to the main road by Andrew's house. So yeah.
It's good that
We have to get
keep
past the barbed
walking
wire.
further. There's no fence up there.
Oh. So I'm going to get back to you when we've reached the gravel road. And then I'm going to end this vlog for today. So see you later.